Welcome back, everybody. So I just got back from my 2026 turkey hunt with my good hunting buddy, and I captured the best video moments that I possibly could. It was about 2.5 hours of footage. I really chopped it down to about 15, 16 minutes. I did try playing music during the video. It didn't really come out the greatest. I did try doing voiceover. Didn't really like it. Couldn't really hear much of nature. So I decided to go with a more natural theme. So the entire video, you're just going to see what I saw. No talking, no sounds except the sounds of nature. You're going to hear squirrels, you're going to hear coyotes, you're going to hear frogs, and those beautiful turkey gobbles that we all love and enjoy. So enjoy the next 14 to 16 minutes of video. Hang out till the end, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing with the turkey fan, the turkey feathers, and then the feet and the beard as well to make a nice, beautiful mount. So enjoy the video, and we'll see you at the end.
Did I gobble? Good turkey?
That's a monster, dude.
Is that him?
Get the head on that thing, man.
Whoa.
Nice fish, dude.
Thanks.
All right. So I hope you enjoyed all of those nature sounds I was able to capture in those videos. But I'm out here in the garage. Like I said, I just got back from my 2026 turkey hunt, and we've got the wings and the fans all done. This is actually my fan from last year. I was going to make a video on how to take all the meat out, put borax, dry it out, make them out. Didn't want to beat a dead horse. There's a million videos on YouTube, so I decided to forego that. But we've got our fan from last year looking nice and beautiful here. Obviously, we've got the borax on the bottom drying everything out. And then we've got our wings drying out, all fluffed out, ready to go. And then I'm trying something new with the feet as well. I did watch a YouTube video. If you put them like this and then zip tie them, that claw right there on the bottom will actually be able to hold it up if you do plan on displaying it. So I'm going to hang that from the mount, but we've got some borax on top of there as well, and drying out. And then we've got this year's turkey fan on there. So let me grab a tape measure and give you guys an actual view of what this year's turkey looked like. There we have it, right at about 10 inches on the beard. So really nice beard for that turkey. And then check out the spurs on this guy. Absolute monsters. Let me get a view from the other side. There's a little better view. There's our helper, Mr. Thor, helping out in the garage. Right, buddy? Yeah, perfect. But yeah, like I said, check out those spurs. Absolute tanks. Really big turkey this year. Wouldn't have been possible without my hunting buddy Tom, so really appreciate all the help this year. It was a blast. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. And just like that, the 2026 turkey season has come to an end. We had a blast this year. If you all found value in that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. I'd be curious to know your favorite wild turkey recipe. But as always, thanks for tuning in. Thor and I will catch y'all in the next video.